What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today let's talk about snowstorm. Apparently we are facing one of the biggest snowstorms in the last 10 years or so. Grocery store, all the shelves are empty and the gas line was super long. So today I'm going to take you guys along to see whether or not this snowstorm is real. So let's go along. Alright, you guys, it is officially snowing right now. I have to go take the trash in, and then I have to go pick up Audrey in about 2 hours from now. So let's hope that it's still safe for me to do so and it's not gonna be crazy. Got the trash. You can already see it's like snowing like crazy. At least we know that the snow is for real. Let's go. Yesterday I went to go grocery shopping, so our fridge is stocked up. Our roommate cooked the food beforehand. We got a bunch of stuff, and then over by the frozen section we got some frozen food. By the way, I'm gonna cook Bun Bo Hue tonight with the Instant Pot. So I think we're ready. The time is now, it's 2 o'clock. Time to go pick up Audrey. Alright, you guys, we got the food, we got the chain, the car's right there. Let's go. Alright, I'm at a stoplight right now. I don't know about you guys, but like for me, driving in the snow is like exciting and scary at the same time. Have you guys ever driven in snow before? Alright, we're here, you guys. Let's go wait for Audrey. Audrey is finally off. You ready to go home?
Yeah. I mean, it's not as bad as people say.
Yeah,
right now.
it doesn't look that bad in downtown, but it's pretty bad at home.
Oh,
Yeah.
get home.
What's up, guys? We made it back to our neighborhood, and you know how like the street in downtown is not that bad. In our neighborhood, it's actually really bad. Take a look.
It's winter wonderland up in here.
I made it.
We got home and I got hungry. And what's the perfect thing to eat on a snowy day? Instant noodles. Alright, so now Hui and I, mostly Hui, is gonna attempt to make Bun Bo Hue. Bun. How do you actually say it, love?
Bun Bo Hue.
Bun Bo Hue in the Instant Pot. So we're gonna take you guys along on this cooking thing. What is cooking?
Experience.
Cooking experiment is what it's called.
Meanwhile.
Also, update on the snow. It's getting worse. There's big chunks flying down.
Later that same evening.
Are you guys ready for the money shot?
Ooh.
Perfect timing.
Here's my bowl of Bun Bo Hue.
Alright, we're gonna eat now. I don't know what we're gonna do later, but
See you for dessert. One lime.
Okay.
Wow!
Wow, what an exaggeration.
Wow!
So is it good or not?
Yeah,
He's like, no.
it's really good. No, I like it.
The next day.
Good morning, you guys. It's currently 8 a.m. Hui is still asleep, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like outside now. snow is. Oh my gosh. Okay, well anyways, I just realized it's actually still snowing, so that's crazy. But I'm gonna make breakfast and I'll take you guys along. So I'm gonna make a breakfast burrito from Trader Joe's. Voila. Stir it up a little bit. Like who's awake?
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Alright, you guys. I'm fully awake now, and I got my makeshift tape measurement. I want to see how much snow we got overnight. So let's see. Your boy's out here measuring snow.
Crazy, wearing a t-shirt and shorts. Okay.
Your future meteorologist right here, guys.
Okay, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
About 6 inches up here. 5 down here. We got 6 inches of snow. Oh my god.
Crazy. Okay, so here's our breakfast. Breakfast burrito, some blueberries, and iced coffee. Now we're gonna eat.
So our neighbors help cleaning the sidewalk. So I'm gonna join them for the dustpan too. Because we don't have no shovel. Let's start with this.
Our broken dustpan.
Hey, it still work.
So what just happened? You broke it. Now we have no more dustpan. We have to buy a new one.
Yep, time to buy a new one.
Okay, so we are currently heading to the car to grab some gloves so we can build a snowman. Where's my handle? Oh gosh.
Look at how thick that snow is.
You can't see anything from inside of this thing.
Okay, good job. Okay.
Okay, we're actually gonna build a snowman. I think this is a terrible idea because the winds are picking up, but we're gonna try to do it really quick.
Yeah, let's do it. Let me get it off of you.
Okay, snowman fail. We're out. I'm done. I'm done.
You got it all right up fast. Oh god. Oh no. It's too powdery, guys. It's not forming. Alright, you guys, it has been a few hours since we played in the snow. After that, we went inside, we took a nap, we had dinner. Pretty much our day continued as if there was no snowstorm. So far, it has been quite pleasant to have a snowing day. I just want to say thank you for tagging along. Thank you to those who have subscribed, and we're just gonna call it a good night.
Don't forget to keep
Winning at life.
life.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.